It's another beautiful day in my favorite city in the world, Milan! And yeah, good morning by the way. Welcome to this vlog. Another day in my layover, and I'm going to the city today. Last night was amazing. We eat at the Napoli restaurant. This year, kaya seafood yan or pasta? Thank you so much. Thank you. Do you want another one? And right now, we are going to the city. And I'm here with my Filipino mafia. There's them. And yeah, this is the place. Ang ganda. So funny. Going inside. Hi, Rolly. Let's go, guys. We're going inside. Ayo. Nakot ako. Domo? Ano ba? Kung dapat ang Domo? Ewan ko. Ciao! Domo? No? Okay. Bye. Ang cute! Para siyang laruan. Parang laruan yung tram. Yes, sasakay na kami. Dito sa tram. Christmas spirit. Direction, di ba? Kasi pupunta pa yan diretso sa Gregio. Sobrang ganda, promise. Na-feel mo na ang Christmas sa city. Yan o. Merong mga lights doon. Lights dyan. Christmas. So hey guys, I'm sorry guys, naputol na yung clip from here kasi nag-stop na yung phone ko. It was battery empty. And so right after this, we just went on some shopping and we went back to the hotel na and sleep. Right now guys, before we stop this vlog, let me just show you some clips from the night before. It was such a nice experience to eat at a local restaurant where they serve locals, so it's not designed for tourists. Sarap talaga guys. May nagbe-birthday. Manta sila, no? Happy birthday in Italian. Ayun, cute. 7 years old. Yung menu nila, anti-pass delivery. Ano, ang order. So, ito na muna for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet been already subscribed. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will fly with you soon. Bye-bye! Naka-sweater kaming lahat. Sweater weather. I know. Ganun sa Chelle. Reaction ni Chelle.